Hello and welcome to Exquisite Info. My topic today is for the Microsoft Edge Chromium, which is for the Windows 10 latest version. I'll guide you through on how to remove Bing as a search engine and move in to the traditional Google search engine or any other one you prefer. My favorite personal one is Google, but you can change to others as well as putting your custom ones apart from the regular 4 or 5 that are already available. So stick around and I'll guide you through. So I'm going to open the Microsoft Edge Chromium first before we can do anything. So let's open. I've got it here on the taskbar. You can open it from desktop or whatever you have. So you go into here, as you can see, look, Bing. Not really fan of this because look, even if you go into Google, then it's okay, but it's a bit difficult. I mean, I don't really like this, the way it works. It's not something that I'm familiar with, not something that I like. So all you do is click on to change it, all you do is click on these top 3 dots that you can see on the right here, and then what you do is go all the way down to settings. So go to the settings, and that should bring you to this here, and in here you go into the second option, which is the privacy and services, and go down all the way. So keep going down until you get into services, this part here. So you want to concentrate on this part, services. And in here you want to go all the way down to where it says address bar. Can you see it here? Right here, address bar. So we'll click on address bar and it'll now bring us to this, as you can see, search engine used in the address bar, Bing recommended by default. Now we don't want this, so we're going to change it. So all you do is click on the down arrow and you can change it to Yahoo, or you can change it to Google, change it to DuckDuckgo, anything else. Look, I don't know what this one is, say Google Core UK. And if you're not happy with them ones, you want to add some of your own language search engine, or whichever one you prefer, you can simply get the address bar and type it here. Just click add, and 1 second, I'll give you a tutorial. As you're all aware, the world's most populated country is of course China, so we're going to go into that Chinese search engine, and the top 5 right here is the search engine most used in China, and the one I'm going to concentrate is the first one. Is it Baidu? I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but this one here. So what you do is click on Baidu. Let's find Baidu first of all. The link for Baidu, B-A-I-D-O-U. Look, so we're gonna find this link, right? Ooh, right, it's in different language, but here it is. So all you do, just get that link, copy it, and we're simply gonna add it to where it was here. Look, search engine, you can name it different, but you can call it Baidu, whatever you want to do it. And URL, just type that URL and then click add. 1 second. So as you can see, you can't add unless you put keyword, so let's simply call it Baidu, or you can call it anything you want, and then all you do is click add. Yeah, so click add, and that should come up, that should be there. And now we're going to choose Baidu as the main one. So all we do is go into the address bar, and in here we'll choose our Baidu. So here it is. So next time we go to the website, that should open up the search engine that you requested. So for now, this was all the tutorial that I had. Exquisite Info saying goodbye. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.